but his cock is going to limp.
Wait, did you have a question though?
My question for you, Mark.
For what? For me?
Yes.
I have a question? Yeah. Excuse me. No.
First, I love you in being human.
And you love me in being human?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'd like to know what you join more, play a vampire or Lucifer?
Well, what do I enjoy more, playing a vampire or Lucifer?
Yes.
I have to say, I love Lucifer. Vampire, you know, the vampire and being human he's cool, but you know, Lucifer is awesome. I love Lucifer.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear. And thank you for your hat. I think it's cool. Me? Do you want to see me wear my... All right, I'll wear the cock. Am I joking?
And it stays up.
My cock is not limp. How long should I keep this on?
We need what? What? I have to curse a person? Swear? Oh, yes.
What?
Yes. Swear.
What to swear?
Yeah.
In Portuguese? Yes. What's that? What is that?
Sex? Oh, no.
Yeah.
She says it means thank you. Good, that'll come in handy. Thank you very much.
So if I buy something on the street and I go like this, thank you.
Especially if you're wearing the cock hat.
Your fist.
Well, great. Thank you for teaching us that.
And I want to know if all you guys could do